Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Inert atmosphere glove boxes are used across the globe when working with air-sensitive chemistry and materials. In these systems, an inert atmosphere is created by first displacing most of the air in the glove box with an inert gas. The remaining atmosphere is then circulated through a purification system that removes moisture and oxygen to less than 1 part per million. Today, we're in Hawthorne, California, home of Vacuum Atmospheres Company, or VAC. For more than 60 years, VAC has supplied the academic, industrial, and scientific communities with the highest quality and most technically advanced inert atmosphere products available. VAC manufactures revolutionary replaceable cartridge-based inert gas purification systems, as well as traditional purification systems. The traditional inert gas purifiers trap oxygen and moisture in an external purifier. After time, a process called regeneration is required to drive off the accumulated oxygen and moisture in the purifiers. This regeneration process is time-consuming and requires special gas. With VAC's cartridge-based inert gas purifiers, the gas purification takes place entirely inside the glove box, and there is no need for regeneration. When the cartridges become saturated with oxygen or moisture, they can be quickly and easily replaced. This patented technology is exclusive to VAC. Established in 1959, VAC has been U.S.-owned and operated since its inception and proudly boasts more than 20,000 systems worldwide. Every system is built in their 78,000 square foot facility located right here in the United States. Visit them today at vac-atm.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.